Hi guys, Ben here, and today I'm doing a review of the Bose SoundTrue headphones. So let's get these out of the box. So I think it's just, oh gosh, what we got? Got some paperwork, some polystyrene, and we got the headphone box. And just throw away this box. Oh, this is very nice. Feels really nice in the hand. Feels quite hard shell, so nothing's going to damage it. Okay, so open it up here. We have the cable and we have the headphones. Hey, so first impressions. Really light. Nice and light. Can curve a lot. Very flexible. Padded headband. Nice, comfy. Really nice. Cushioned padding. Hey, so now to the comfort side. This is my first try of them on. And they feel really nice. Nice and padded. I can hardly feel them on my head. This top band is really nice. Yeah, I'll give comfort a 10 out of 10 actually, because it's just really nice. I have quite big ears, and so it's quite hard to find a good pair of headphones that fit. So with these, they're really nice and comfy. My ear doesn't actually touch the padding on the outside. My ear just fits in this little space in between, which gives it a nice snug fit and feels really nice. Yeah, really good. Okay, so now to the audio test. I'm just going to play on 50%. This is also a sound leak test. Hey, so it sounds really nice and clear. Yeah. Okay, now it's 75%. Still really nice sound. Okay, now it's 100%. Well, that's quite loud. Okay, back to 75. Okay, now it's 50. Okay, the sound quality is really good on this. The lows, the mids and the highs are really defined and really nice. And I would give the sound quality for these a 9 out of 10. So overall, these headphones are really good. A 9.5 out of 10. And yeah, a really good buy for £150 and $179.99, I think. So thanks for watching guys. Be sure to check out my other videos. Please like and subscribe. Really helps me out.